This is basic level like 5.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's the texture for me.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Today we have a special guest, my friend Soyoung.
Wait, I gotta like come in.
Oh. Hi everyone.
Hey, look at my
Today we got a special guest.
Hi.
Today we're going back to the basics of trying to be basic.
The basics of the basics.
Of the basics. Today we're gonna try the different pumpkin flavored items from these fast food places. So we got the most basic, Starbucks.
Yeah.
Have you tried the pumpkin spice latte?
I'm not basic, so I don't really drink a lot of PSL.
But do you like pumpkin spice?
It's alright.
Yeah, no, some people don't like it.
It's like kind of too cinnamony.
Yeah, I like cinnamon. I kind of like pumpkin spice, but I think I've only had one pumpkin spice latte.
I like
so I'm not that basic.
Pumpkin flavored candles.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I like pumpkins. Oh no, my favorite is pumpkin flavored ice cream.
I like pumpkin soup, like natural pumpkin,
yeah.
No artificial
True.
MSG, which is what we're drinking today.
Hell.
But it's okay.
I'm like low key, like not nervous. I feel judged.
Why?
When I'm can I have a pumpkin spice latte and a pumpkin cold brew and a pumpkin scone?
They're probably used to it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at all the pumpkin fall stuff. And pumpkin bread. There's pumpkin bread too. She half smiled when I said I have a basic order. Just your eyes.
We got the goods.
We got our basics in order. Oh,
That would have been bad.
We have the ultimate #1 basic winner of all, the pumpkin spice latte iced with soy milk.
And then this is the pumpkin cold brew.
Oh, it's a cold brew with pumpkin cream.
Pumpkin cream cold brew. If you can see.
I'm excited for that one.
Can't really see the top.
Oh, she's a guru.
You know.
And we have a pumpkin scone
With the cinnamon whipped cream.
Oh, yes. And we have pumpkin scone. Okay, pumpkin spice latte first. So we're gonna do this because more sanitary, you know.
That's COVID.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Cheers.
Done.
I like it.
It tastes like the candle.
It tastes like a candy, like a
Very sweet.
Yeah, this is very sweet.
You can't help but like this.
Some people hate it. Why does this taste better than last time? It tastes like a caramel candy, right? Like a really thick caramel candy.
Like the caramel candy that all the grandmas eat.
Yeah, the Vultures or something.
Yeah,
In
the gold wrapping.
Yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good.
I don't even taste pumpkin spice. Like a little bit. I taste more caramel.
Yeah, I don't really taste the pumpkin. I wouldn't get this every day.
Oh no.
Maybe like
Too much syrup.
once every month.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basic
But-
level?
Basic level 10 out of 10. You don't have to tell
11
no.
out of 10.
You give this 11 out of 10? Or basic level?
Yeah.
What about taste?
Taste?
I give it like
I
an
think it's
8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8.75.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I'm surprised.
It's pretty good.
I don't know about the hot version. I just like my drinks cold.
Hot version.
I like ice drinks.
I think ice makes it more sweet. If it's hot, you probably wouldn't notice the sweetness, but
Chug. I'm really excited for this. Shall we shake it up? Well, how are you gonna get the pumpkin cream? Alright, I gotta shake it up, okay?
Use a straw. Okay.
Cheers!
Done.
Ooh. Wait, hold on. I taste a whole milk.
It's a little more sophisticated.
It is a little more sophisticated because it's more bitter.
Yeah. I like this better. A lot better.
But I don't taste the pumpkin at all.
I think it just tastes like coffee.
With a little bit of cream. Yeah, I don't taste the pumpkin spice. Let me just get a little bit of the cream. Cream tastes like whole milk plus
Did you mix it in all the way on the bottom?
It tastes like whole milk with a little bit of pumpkin spice powder or it's like cinnamon powder.
Just a dash. Not
and
bad.
nutmeg.
I would prefer this over the pumpkin spice
because that one's
latte.
heavy.
Yeah.
This one is, I love that word, sophisticated. This one,
more on my level.
This is basic level, like 5.
Yeah. I like this better. I would get this. Maybe like on a cold fall, autumn evening. Or in the morning.
Let me try this again. Oh my god!
Too sweet.
So sweet after this. If I were to drink this like on a weekly basis,
if we were in high school, I think we would go for that one.
Always.
Right.
Like, so, I was too poor in high school to afford this.
We would share.
Alright, pumpkin scone time.
Ooh.
She's thick.
She's aesthetic.
It's pretty.
Okay.
Oh, she's crumbly. She's messy. Ooh.
Oh, thank you. It looks pretty moist.
Yeah, that's nice. Alright. Jang. Jang. Jang's cheers in Korean. Body week. I'm not Korean, by the way.
Buttery. Buttery, flaky. Not really flaky.
It's good.
It's really good.
Really good. I'm trying to take a thumbnail. Okay, we're good.
Wait, this and this? Both combo? I think it's perfect match.
Yes, sweet and bitter.
Oh, so good.
Wait, I like feel fall. When you drink this, when you eat this together,
You're suddenly in upstate New York.
I'm suddenly with leaves changing around me, sweater weather suddenly.
This matches my outfit, I feel like. Hiking boots.
No, not mine.
Yeah, not yours.
This is also not too sweet.
It's a little savory too. Pretty good.
I would give this a 9 out of 10.
I'll give it 9.4.
Wow.
Pretty high. If it was toasted too, oof. We're about to hike too, so we might be shaking.
Alright, next stop. We're at Dunkin. This one's like at a gas station, so hopefully they have the pumpkin flavored donuts. Wait, hold on. They have a Charlie D'Amelio thing. Cold brew whole milk plus caramel. Yas, girl. I got the goods. Alright. We're gonna try the Dunkin Donuts items on our hike. We have a beautiful scenery surrounding us. A pumpkin flavored donut. I feel like looks moist, but I feel like it could be. Actually, no, it doesn't feel dry. Ready?
Wait.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Tastes like what?
It kind of tastes like that scone. It has the texture of that scone.
But not as sophisticated.
That's true.
Tastes a little artificial,
Sweeter.
but yeah. It's got, like, you can kind of taste the spice, but I need more.
Yeah.
And it's not super like pumpkin-y, it's more pumpkin spicy.
Yeah.
It's like there's a difference.
Good critic.
I don't know why, but it tastes like a candle.
Everything tastes like a candle.
Like 7.5.
7.
Oh.
You rate it
4 or 5.
4 or 5. Dennis?
Right, because 5 is average, right?
6. This is not pumpkin flavored, but apple cider. Going with the fall.
Eating it.
Fall flavor still.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh. This tastes so fake.
3 out of 10.
2. Try.
It's like if I'd made an apple tart and it went wrong.
This is apple cider?
Really? Apple cider.
Guys, you guys are pretty
It
harsh.
tastes like a fake apple.
It just
It tastes like Apple Jack's apple. People are coming.
Tastes like those apple flavored candy. Alright, we have one more item. This just doesn't look appetizing. This is a pumpkin muffin from Dunkin Donuts. I don't know what it's on top. Let's try that muffin top.
I feel like that's probably the worst part.
Whoa. Uh-oh. That makes me not want to try it.
Ew, that top is gross.
The like very inside is like.
What is that? Tastes like medicine.
Tastes like a squash.
Oh, it does. It's like root vegetable.
I don't taste pumpkin at all.
I can taste it like a little bit, but it's not like.
But it tastes like natural pumpkin, not like artificial.
Okay,
Maybe that's the problem.
Muffin top gross.
This one tastes too much like pumpkin.
Yeah.
The muffin is good.
Just the top.
The top was gross. But
thank God I didn't.
no, I like this. It tastes like those pumpkin ice cream.
So, and you average it out then?
Average it out, then a 5. Actually, no, I count the bottom is more, so 6.
Oh. I give it a 5.5.
I really like the
Bottom.
the body.
The bottom is like moist, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I would say it's too crumbly.
Can you just try the top?
After that reaction, I don't think anyone would.
The top tastes like cardboard.
Should I try it?
Yeah, try the top.
Yes.
Let us know the tea. Not bad.
I don't think it's that bad.
And then the aftertaste is like cardboard.
Oh,
Cardboard.
the frosting does.
Yeah, the frosting.
It's like box.
Yeah, it's so bad.
Box.
Alright, that's our review of Dunkin Donuts. And we have one last stop, which is Dairy Queen. I'll see you there. We're at Dairy Queen. Ooh, we got it.
Oh,
so they did it like a... It's literally gonna... They flipped it a little bit.
How did
But it feels
If you do quick,
I know.
Flip, 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 flip.
Dennis, put your hand behind my cup.
no, behind the cup. There.
Look at all these grooves. Alright. Cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Tastes like actual pumpkin. I think they use pumpkin puree. They said they use pumpkin puree.
I wish it was thicker, but
Yeah, I wish it was thicker too. Oh, I like that. I like that cracker.
yeah.
What is that? Pumpkin
cookie.
cracker?
Yum. Cookie.
The cookie has a pumpkin flavor.
Does it? Or it almost tastes like just like
Sugar
a gingerbread
cookie.
or something, you know?
Sugar.
Oh, it does taste like a sugar cookie. What do we think? Hella sweet.
It's ice cream though. What do you expect from ice cream?
Can you imagine eating one of these by yourself?
Huh?
What size is that?
Medium.
Boy.
That's a
America,
small-
we have a problem. We need to talk.
America has been had a problem with.
If it was thicker, I'd like it.
Yeah.
It's the texture for me.
It's like tastes like Thanksgiving
Mm-hmm.
dessert.
Yeah.
It tastes like a
Tastes like
Thanksgiving
pumpkin
meal.
pie.
Yeah.
Thanksgiving meal mushed together.
Ooh,
It's like Thanksgiving
cranberry.
leftovers.
Sweet potato. Alright, let's rate this.
10?
7.
Compared to the other things,
Like based on a pumpkin, what you expect?
like how accurate it is to actual pumpkin. Like this is very accurate.
It's pretty accurate.
Yeah.
Some more? No, I'm good.
It's good.
It's perfect now.
It's a diarrhea for me. Alright, so thanks guys for watching. If you tried them, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks to my guest.
Do you have a closing?
That is.
Line. See
Yeah.
you next time.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
She just takes the camera and she throws it on the ground as hard as she
That's why it
can.
looks like that.